In this lesson, we will look at the characteristics of the body wall, the largest organ covering the insect body. We can see that this insect is shedding its skin, completely retaining its body shape, and actually shedding part of its body wall. So why do insects shed their skin, and which parts of their body wall do they shed? The answer lies in understanding the structure and function of the body wall. The body wall of an insect is divided into 3 layers. From the inside out, they are the bottom membrane, also known as the base membrane, the skin cell layer, and the epidermis layer. The bottom submembrane is a noncellular membrane that separates the tissue above the skin cell layer from the internal blood chamber and acts as the first protective barrier for the insect body. The skin cell layer near the bottom membrane is a single layer of cell tissue and has vitality, so it is also called living cell layer. The basic shape of this layer of cells is cylindrical or cubic. Some skin cells are specialized in morphology and function, such as the cells that extend a tube to the outside are gland cells, including odor glands, wax glands, molting glands, etc. There are also cells specialized into scales, bristles, etc., forming the outer body wall. The outermost layer of the body wall is the epidermis. It is a noncellular tissue formed from the outer layer of skin cells. It acts as the outermost barrier of the body wall. The epidermal layer is divided into 3 layers, that is, the upper epidermis, the outer epidermis, and the inner epidermis. Each layer has a certain composition. The inner epidermis, the thickest layer, contains protein and chitin, an arthropod-specific ingredient, making it soft and elastic. The outer epidermis is formed by hardening of the outer layer of the inner epidermis and contains bone proteins, chitin, and lipids, resulting in a hard texture. The upper epidermis is the most superficial and thinnest part of the body wall. From the surface and inside, it is divided into wax protection layer, wax layer, and cutin fine layer, in which the molecules of the wax layer are closely arranged in order. It can effectively prevent the invasion of foreign objects and the loss of water in the body. The inner, outer, and upper epidermis constitute the 3 characteristics of the insect body wall: malleability, hardness, and impermeability. The hardness of the body wall reflects the characteristics of the bone, so the insect body wall is also called the exoskeleton, which has the function of supporting the body, generating muscles, and protecting internal organs. Ductility and impermeability, reflecting the characteristics of the skin, combined with the structure of each layer, so that the body wall can prevent the invasion of external microorganisms and toxic substances. Prevent water from evaporating from the body. The function of secreting compounds. Now that we know the structure and function of the body wall, do we understand why insects shed their skin? It turns out that the epidermal layer of noncellular tissue cannot grow with the insect body and needs to be removed to form a new epidermis. What is removed is mainly the hard outer epidermis and the outer epidermis. Understanding the 3 characteristics of body wall can guide the pest control. We can take targeted measures to disrupt the characteristics of the body wall so that it loses its role as a protective barrier. For example, solvents are added to dissolve the fat and wax layers of the body wall to increase the permeability of the insecticide. Adding inert powder to grind off the wax layer to improve the contact effect. Heating up the wax layer disrupts the order of the molecules and dehydrates the insects to death. In order to meet various needs, the body wall of insects often protruding outward to form foreign objects, such as scales, hairs, spines, distance, etc., also known as body wall derivatives. It can be used as the basis for identifying insects, such as plant hopper and leaf hopper's hind foot tibia, respectively, with distance and spines. The horn and chest horn of a rhinoceros turtle. Today we learn about the body wall of insects. Please master the following knowledge points. 1. Structure of the body wall. 2. Function and characteristics of the body wall 3. Prevention and treatment of the body wall. Please expand on the color of insect body wall after class. This lesson is over. Students, goodbye.